Morning, everyone. Today we are gonna be configuring just a simple ether channel. So basically, the ether channel technology will give you what it does is that it gives you more bandwidth within your network. So today we're gonna be configuring just a simple ether channel here between two switches. And for that config, I'm gonna use 2960 switch, which is not a multi-layer switch. Okay, and I'm gonna set up my switches here in the rack. I'm using Packet Tracer for this demo. Okay, and already, so we have the switches in place at the moment, and we are going to start the configuration. So let's connect the switches so we can start configuring them. We're gonna use straight through cable, okay, and we're gonna pick port 23 and port 24. These two ports are gonna be the one that we're gonna be configuring in the switches. Okay, so we got the switches connected already, and we are going to start configuring them. Okay, we go to configuration mode. All right, and then we assign a name to the switches. Okay, we're not going to go deep on security and basically configuring password to the switches and all these things. And if you're in a production environment, of course you have to do that for security reason. But just for this demo, we are gonna just name the switches, and we are going to configure the ether channel in the switches. Okay, so we enter in config T mode, and we assign a name to the switch. Okay, so once we have done that, let's basically label the switch here as well. Okay, and we are going to also label switch number 2. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is just a simple ether channel that we are configuring today. All right, so let's start configuring the interfaces. Okay, so since we have interface 23 and 24 connected, port 23 and 24 connected, so these are the port that we're gonna use for the ether channel link. Okay, so we are gonna name that ether channel group 1. Okay, because we have to basically give a name to the ether channel. And as you see, the interface basically change the state to up. Okay, so once we have done that, we just go into the switch number 2, and basically we do the same thing. So the link aggregation can be formed. Okay, so we choose the interfaces. Okay, we name the interface to channel group 1 as well, because it was the same name that we gave it on switch 1, and the interface is app, as you see. Okay, excellent. So once we have done that, we can verify if the ether channel form the adjacency between the switches. Okay, so we're going to verify if our configuration actually went through. For channel 1, actually okay, so now we can see that the adjacency between the two switches went through, and we can see the port channel that it's app and working. So as we go down, we can identify that we have port 23 and port 24 form within that adjacency, within that port channel group. We don't see here the type of protocol, but that will be for the next video.